Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Carbolt. The Indian electric vehicle market is now gaining momentum with improving EV infrastructure and consumers making a conscious environment friendly choice. There has been a surge in EV sales lately and Indian automakers are betting big on the segment. So let's have a look of top 5 electric upcoming car in 2021. Tesla Model 3 electric car. The Model 3 comes with the option of dual motor, all-wheel drive, performance breakers, and lowered suspension for total control in all weather condition. And a carbon fiber spoiler improves stability at high speeds, all allowing Model 3 to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in as little as 3.1 seconds. The Model 3's battery stacks take about 6 to 6.5 hours to get fully charged, while the fast charger can juice up the batteries to 18% capacity in just 30 minutes. The Model 3 is likely to command a price between 55 to 60 lakh rupees. As a brand, Tesla already enjoys great recall in India. The Ambanis own one, the Ruiz own one, and so celebrities such as Ritesh Deshmukh and Pooja Batra. In fact, Pooja Batra owns a Tesla Model 3 in the United States. Second, Mahindra eXUV 300. The Mahindra XUV 300 electric was showcased in its concept form at the 2020 Auto Expo and will be priced competitively against the Tata Nexon EV when it launches, expected to begin at Rs 13 lakh going up to Rs 16 lakh. Tata Altroz EV, the Tata Altroz electric, will be underpinned by the brand's Alpha platform, just like the regular Altroz. The Altroz EV is expected to have a driving range of 250 to 300 km and will feature the same Ziptron technology as the Nexon EV. Its price is expected to be around Rs 10 lakh to Rs 12 lakh. Mahindra eKUV 100. The eKUV 100 is expected to be priced between Rs 9.5 lakh and Rs 12 lakh, and to justify its higher price over the regular KUV 100. There will be a few premium features on offer as well. As such, this EV would be the most affordable vehicle in the Indian market, at least until the arrival of the Tata HBX EV. Tata HBX Electric, the ICE powered Tata HBX, is expected to be priced from 5.5 lakh to Rs 8 lakh, and the electric HBX will be priced at a significant premium over it. Starting around the Rs 8 lakh mark expected, if Tata plays its card right, the HBX will become extremely popular in India, primarily due to its own pricing. So friend, today video like target is 500 only. We will back with another new video. If you like the video, do comment, like and subscribe Carbolt.